Ka Jingshlei ka Nongpoh headquarter ka Kyrwoh district tang sujia slap u khamjor kam dei shu ka mat Ïakren ka badang thamai nrei ka dei ka bala subun tang ki jingkular na ka sarkar jala ban shim khia bat shu sakot ha sun da kisnam kane ka Jingshlei ha kane ka banta ka wanra jing e shiboni ki nong shong snong ki bakan thop na do ki basong dukan bat ki basong yeng ha silanter ka road surak ba Shillong Shagwati kane ka mat ka dei ka bau MLA ka Nongpoh ba Meral Bonds im ulara Ïatai yeng dorbar thawan ka jala Meghalaya nrei kumba pau imat ka shu hap tang hakiskor ki bakulot pat ki bam kwa skam ka Jingshlei ka nang yai beteng na kapor sa kapor wat la ka don ka jingkular na kalyang ka sarkar ban pet karpang bat ban lei halor kani ka benta wala ki don kinala tu ru balashna da ka National Highway Authority of India NHAI nrei kim shem la ban weng ya kani ka jing ya ka bakum kani ka Jingshlei la sakhi biang ha ka surok ba ha ki benta ka snong lum berhing ha ka step sanya jo ka nyu tare urisa arja arpulai ha ka por kumba shibji kani ka Jingshlei kala ne da ki bon kanta ka bala bu jing ya ki nong lek nong wan ling ba ka te ka surok ba bat ka ka bala shlei padang ka te ka surok ba kala yo ru ban ksam ling ba shadu support ki dukan bat ki yeng sa brio ki badan harut ka te ka surok
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.